Hello, so in this film we're going to think about the character, the main character whose name is Devin. And I've got a prop, a costume that's going to help in this little bit of work we're going to do. This is quite like Devin's hat. And I've also got a circle on the floor. So when I step into the circle, I'm going to try to stand in Devin's shoes. I'm going to see what it's like to be Devin. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to make up some poses. So here we go. So that's number one. That's Devin with the mobile phone. Now, let's try pose number two. I think that's about being a little bit bored and Devin looking around and thinking about adventures. What else can happen? Here's pose number three. And that's because Devin likes to explore. And maybe on this occasion, Devin is looking for shells, but we also know that Devin's going to go into the caves and explore. And I might spend a bit more time walking around and trying to imagine what it feels like to move as Devin. And the hat just helps me to get into role. It signs that I'm in role. And when I'm out of the circle and I've taken my hat off, I'm out of role. Let's try and be Devin in a different way. Oh, I'm imagining I'm on the beach. I'm going to sign my role by putting my hat on and becoming Devin. And I've actually written a little script because I was wondering what it would feel like to be Devin on the beach, and this has helped me think about it. I might use this in my story, but I might not. It's just to help me understand the character. So first of all, let's feel the sun. That's really nice. And that warm wind. And listen to the sounds. And look around the blue sky and the beautiful beach. So this is what I think Devin might be thinking and saying. I'm not bothered about all this sunbathing stuff that my parents like to do. I really like it here on Crete. It's really cool. There's all sorts of historical stuff to see and good things to do, and there's really big mountains. They're great. But this is a family holiday and we have to do things that we all enjoy. And my dads, well, they really like lying out on the beach, covered, I might say, in factor 50 sun cream. So my two dads, they've stretched out on their beach towels and they're beginning to relax. But then Dom says to me, "Are you wanting to go for a swim again, Devin?" And I say, "No, Dom, I want to go and explore those caves over there." I point to the cliffs where the entrances to 3 caves are. "Okay," he says, I'll watch you to make sure that you're safe. Have you got enough charge in your mobile phone so you can text me if you need me? Yes, I have, I replied. Are you sure this is okay with you, Dom? You looked really settled. It's okay, we'll take it in turns to watch you, says Dom. Go and explore, but stay in touch. I want texts, and phone me if you get in trouble. Thanks, Dom, I said, and off I went. I kind of semi-jogged across the sands because it was a bit too hot to run, but I was eager to see inside those caves. Now I feel I understand Devin a little bit more. Maybe you could do this. Maybe you could pretend to be your main character. And you could imagine what it's like to be in whatever setting, whatever place you've decided, whatever location you've decided to put your character in. Have a go. See what you think.